In primetime news this evening, uncertain future. Port Royal residents speak ahead of looming eviction by the state. Back to school risk. Students stay home as violence rocks Mountain View. And Clarendon off to a bloody start in 2020. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. The top business stories of the day, Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Fresh from vacation, Janella doesn't remember her line, but there are desperate calls from the government this evening as Jamaica struggles to reduce the food import bill. What more can be done? And we'll have more on that in the business day.
And from Andrea, we go to Jordan Ford, who's going to tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, complaints have come in about a prominent coach from one of the top high schools from the ISA Boys and Girls Championships. The complaints are in regards to physical abuse. We'll have more in a Primetime Sports exclusive this evening.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: are you concerned about a new war in the Middle East?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.